In this video, I have a great friend Rafa pass by so I could weld his charge piping for his 8th gen Civic because he recently upgraded his intake manifold to a Skunk 2 Alpha. I also have a surprise that comes. It's a 92 Civic hatch all the way from Louisiana. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. So today we have my boy Rafa's car here. I have to weld some charge piping for him. He just recently upgraded his intake manifold to the Skunk 2 Ultra. He got here a little bit late, but let's get this done. We're test fitting the piping to get the curvature that we need so we can get the right fitment. Once we got everything fitted to where we want it, then I'm gonna start welding. So after a bunch of measuring and test fitting the pipe, we finally get a form that actually fits the area where the pipe is gonna run through. So I just go to town welding. I did fat beads on this. Doesn't really come out too great on camera, I don't know why, but in person it looks great. Here I'm finishing up the last welds so I can start welding on the flanges. I actually corrupted the tungsten on this. I kind of took it out of the gas a little way too fast. I didn't let it cool down. But after this, I did the point and then bolted up and continued to weld. So after I was finished with my welds, I started welding the flanges for the blow valve and the temperature sensor. The transporter from Louisiana came, and I was so surprised on the build of the Civic. It's finally here. Doesn't look too bad. I gotta check it out before the transporter leaves, so like that I could account for any damages that was done to the car during transport. But as what I see here, everything looks great. Yep. So my client did tell me that the battery was disconnected, so I gotta connect that real quick. He said something about the battery being disconnected in the trunk.
What was that? Oh yeah, he told me that.
Okay. Yeah. After driving the car felt great. I think the turbo was a little small, so we're gonna end up upgrading that. Rafa's already talking about bringing me his hatch. He has a Monalon Red EK hatch. All-wheel drive. So now that the car is here, another video that I'm gonna do based on that car, everything from welding to wire harness. I'm also gonna do traction bar on it, also do the alignment for drag racing and tune it. Look out for that video that's gonna come out. That will be posted up soon. Let's get back to the video. We finally finished. It's about, you could say, like 10:30 at night. I'm exhausted. Rafa's exhausted. We're just trying to get this done. He lives far and his wife is waiting. So we wrapped up with the 8th gen. He was really happy of the result. Now he's gonna go get the pipe powder coated because it's a show car. We gotta retune the car. Also, the car that came from Louisiana, that's gonna be in later episodes. I have to do a lot of fabrication work to that car. I have to put traction bar, lock VTEC, put the car in timing, change the timing belt, run fuel lines, and make fuel lines for the car. Braided fuel lines that actually support E85. The car is going to run on pump E85. That should be a video you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the noti bell so like that you can get notified every time I upload. This is my first video that I'm doing like this. If you guys like this content, give me a like. Whatever questions you have, comment below. Comment below. Latest.